Hey there, luxury home seekers. I'm Iryna Talmachova, and today we're diving into something that's literally reshaping Florida's skyline. The construction cranes aren't just part of our landscape anymore. They're symbols of what I'm calling the new construction gold rush. You know what's fascinating? This isn't your typical Florida boom. We're not just talking about retirees looking for sunshine or snowbirds fleeing winter. This is different. This is bigger. This is about a complete transformation of our luxury real estate landscape. Let me share something that might surprise you. Almost half of all new construction sales in South Florida are going to international buyers. Think about that for a second. These aren't just people looking for a place to live. They're sophisticated investors who want turnkey luxury without the hassle of renovations or upgrades. From the pristine beaches of Jupiter to the vibrant streets of Miami, we're seeing an incredible range of new developments. You've got $400,000 townhomes sitting just miles away from $20 million waterfront estates. It's like watching a whole new city emerge before our eyes. But here's where it gets interesting, and this is something most people don't realize. That gorgeous model home you're touring, the price tag you see advertised, it's just the beginning. I've seen countless buyers walk in thinking they've got it all figured out, only to discover that the starting at price is just that, a start. Let me break it down for you. Those stunning quartz countertops in the model kitchen? Upgrade. That smart home system you fell in love with? Upgrade. Even the lot location can come with a premium that could add tens or hundreds of thousands to your final price. And here's the real kicker. In today's market, these homes are selling faster than they can be built. I've seen entire developments sell out before the first foundation is even poured. We're talking about buyers making decisions based on virtual tours and floor plans alone. The competition is fierce. The timelines are fluid. And contrary to what many believe, there's very little room for negotiation. This isn't just a buyer or balanced market. It's a developer's dream market. But here's my insider tip. The opportunity is still there if you know where to look and, more importantly, how to look. It's about understanding the true costs, reading between the lines of those glossy brochures, and having a strategy before you even step foot in that model home. This is Florida's new construction gold rush. And like any gold rush, there are both opportunities and pitfalls. The key is knowing the difference between what glitters and what's truly gold.